Okay, come in. Come in.
Oh, dog kibble! I got some dog kibble!
What is it?
Why would you have a dog kennel?
Why do you think we had this?
What is that? I don't understand. What is all
Look
that?
at the dog!
What? Here, Brian, do this. I'm not good at this.
Can we make it sit in the back?
What did he say? What did Charlie say? Can we send it back? Can we send it back?
No, I say can we make it sit in the back?
Sit in the back. Oh,
Yes.
oh, good. Yes, yes,
She's
to
gonna
that.
ride with you and Stella in the back. That's right.
Yay, we got a puppy! Yay, we got a puppy!
I'm not very good.
We finally got a puppy!
We finally got a puppy. Mary Hayes, what
What
did
we name it?
bring you?
Bubba. 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 Bubba.
What do you
Oh,
think?
Oh,
This?
Bubba.
Where did this come from?
I think it comes. I love it.
Do you? Are you so excited? Where did it come from?
No.
No.
I can't believe we got a puppy. Mom, Get off!
What do you think, Mary Hayes?
I think it comes from Target something.
Really? It might have.
No! Stop it! Stop it! I'm beautiful! Stop it! Stop! Stop! Hey, Bubba! Let's go! Go get him! Go get him! We've been thinking about that name for a while.
Can he scratch you?
No, he's okay. But I like him. Great. He's perfect.
He's perfect?
He's
Wow,
perfect
that's
for
so
the
big
last
surprise.
present. Where'd you get her? Is it?
It's a boy.
Where'd you get him? Yes, a boy. Where'd you get him? Where'd you get him?
Mimi and Gok went and picked him up in Nashville for you guys.
Hey, I wanted to put a bone in there. I love it. All this stuff I love it, doggy. I love the doggy.
He wants to meet you.
He's so cute. I love him.
What do you think you should call him?
Hey.
I think he can just eat one. He's kind of...
I want to name him Bubba. I want to name him Bubba Sweet. I want to name him Bubba Sweet. Bubba, let's just go Bubba. No.
Sweet how soft he
Bubba
is,
Sweet.
Johnny.
We don't need to do sweet. What about Bubba Good?
Do you want to hold him?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, sit down. You want to sit
Yeah,
down?
but his usual name is this Bubba. Bubba. Is this mine?
No.
No, that one. Yours
Is he
is.
soft, Stella?
Yours is
Isn't he soft?
Stella, that's not yours.
Stella.
Stella passport.